Hello and welcome to Media Arts Virtual Edition. I'm your instructor and host, Miss Sarah. Let's get started. Today we're going to learn how to do a really cool photo effect. It is called color extraction. You can make some really interesting and eye-catching photos with this and maybe make a gift for your family. Let's meet the app. The app we're going to use is called Photo Editor. It has a wide range of effects and filters. It's free, and I'll show you a couple of the cool features you can use for the color extraction, and in a future video I'll show you some other things you can use in this app. You will need a phone or tablet with the app installed, and of course you need photos. So I would suggest maybe taking a nature walk around your neighborhood, take pictures of flowers. If you're going to take a picture of someone's eye, make sure you ask permission and make sure you don't have the flash on so you don't blind them. And last but not least, make sure your photo is focused. Here is our screen. We're going to click on Photo Editor. You can see you have a variety of different options on the top. You can take pictures, you can go to camera mode if you haven't already taken pictures, and there's a collage option that we'll look at later. And let's get started. So click on camera roll, and we are going to start with one of the flowers. Click Classic Editor, and you're going to have a lot of different options on the bottom of the screen. You're going to scroll. Again, we can get to those another day. We're going to go to Splash. Click on Splash, and automatically you are going to see something really cool, which is your photo is going to turn black and white, and you're going to be able to color in all the elements that you want to be colorized. So we're already on free color, smart color, and there's erase on the bottom. So we're going to start with free color. So go ahead, and it's kind of like finger painting. You can see where your colors are. So my goal is to just get the purple flowers, and then so you can kind of color outside the lines. It's okay. That's why we have the erase tool. You're going to, you can spend as much time as you want with the details of that. Again, if you make a mistake, you can erase it, which I'm doing right now. And then again, if you accidentally erase the purple flower, then you can go back. Unfortunately, there is no brush size option, so your finger is your brush. So let's finish that. So now that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna click apply, and then another feature that I like to use on this is called vignette, and it's basically like putting a flashlight on your photo, and you can adjust it with your fingers, like by pinching it, and then you can use the slider on the bottom. You can see that it's white on the edges, and as you go further to the right, it darkens it. So I think that looks pretty cool. I'm gonna press apply. If you don't like it, you can always press cancel and undo it, but I really kind of like that. It really directs the eye to the flower. So when you're done, you're gonna click on the upper right corner where it says done, and it'll automatically save to your photo album. Awesome, and we are done, and that's the Photo Editor app doing color extraction. So feel free to share any of your beautiful artwork with us. Have your parent email media@teamprimetime.org if you'd like to share it, and we can put it up on our Team Primetime website and YouTube channel. So please be creative every day, and we'll see you next time with more Media Arts Virtual Edition.